Tired of your YouTube videos getting lost in the algorithm abyss? Let's catapult your channel to success using the power of AI. Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. Today, we're diving into how to use ChatGPT to supercharge your YouTube SEO and unlock massive growth. First, let's tackle video ideas instead of staring blankly at a wall. Prompt ChatGPT with something like, generate 10 YouTube video ideas about your niche. Be specific for better results. Boom, instant inspiration now. For title creation, take your chosen video idea and ask ChatGPT to write 5 catchy titles, including keywords review, and pick the title that resonates with your target audience. Next up, killer descriptions. Prompt ChatGPT to write a detailed YouTube video description for your video. Incorporating relevant keywords, remember to include a clear call to action. Finally, let's optimize tags. Ask ChatGPT to generate a list of relevant tags for your video. Use a mix of broad and specific keywords to maximize your reach. Copy and paste the tags into your video's tag section. And that's it. By using ChatGPT for video ideas, titles, descriptions, and tags, you're setting your videos up for YouTube SEO success. Now go forth and create amazing content. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more YouTube growth tips. Let me know in the comments how you're using ChatGPT for your channel.